Let code number 981, time-based key value store. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Create time-based key value store class, time map, that supports two operations. First is set. Key is a string, and then value is a string, and then timestamp as int. Store the key and value along with the given timestamp. Okay, second operation is get, and then key as a string, and then timestamp as int. Returns the value such that set key value timestamp previous was called previously with timestamp flag is smaller equal than called timestamp. If there are multiple such values, it returns the one with the largest timestamp previous. If there are no values, it returns the empty strings. Okay, I think let's check this example 2, not 1. Okay, this is input value, and then this is out. So first we create a timestamp, right? So not time map, not timestamp, sorry. And then okay, so input argument is none, so that is return null. And then first try to set log height 10. So we put log height 10 to timestamp. Okay, let me put as tuple temporarily. And then we put this one. And then second also set log low 20. Then now try to get log is 5. Okay, find that there are two key log 5, and then first is the input is the 10, and the second is the input time is 20. So try to get 5, but unfortunately when the timestamp is the 5, there are no data, right? So we at that time we needed to return. That's right, empty. Does this make sense? Okay, next operation. And usually also try to use get, and then key is log and 10. Log 10 is here, right? So at that time we needed to return high. Usually also use get operation at that time, the 50. 50 is the between 10 and 20. 15 is must be around here. At that time, timestamp has only this one, high. So return high. And then next, the get operation, log is 20 is here, right? So we return low. 25 or so here, return low. Okay, does it make sense? Okay, so we needed to implement this one. So first, my approach is first I would like to use the hash map, and then key is key, and then value is value and timestamp. So first I would like to make the hash map is map. Maybe it's like this. In this case, log must be. Second is that then do timestamp first, and then high. That value is list. And then 20 is low. So as you see this part, the timestamp for all time set operation are strictly increasing. So in this time, there are two options. First is we just iterate whole scan of this array. It take linear time, and then if we use binary search, we can reduce linear to log n. So why it possible is this one is strictly increase. So the next input value must be bigger than 20, right? Such as 25 is needed. So we can do binary search. And then if the 25 is put, I will check the 25 or lower than 25. Real is the 25. So that is 20. So at this time, I would like to use bisect, right? And then find this index. And then I will deduct 1. And then finally we found this one. Does this make sense? Okay, awesome. Okay, let me start implement now. So first, initial state we need to self map. I would like to use a default dict because value is I would like to initialize with the list. So collections, default dicts, and then list. And then okay, let's do set operation. Set operation we need. I just save the like this to do that. First, call self map, and then key is key, and then append. I would like to put the timestamp first because this is the search index, right? So timestamp, comma value. Then we can get like this. Okay, let's do get. At that time, I think, okay, I think item is good. So that one is self map, and then we only the binary search, only the specific key, this one. The items has key is key. So, and then left is 0, and then right is length items. Because we are using the bisect right to find this one, and then finally b minus 1. That is this number we're looking for. If is 225, and then we find this one and the minus 1. That is then that this one is really looking for. Okay, while left is smaller than right, and then mid is left plus. Let's get mid number, and then if okay items mid, and then 0 is bigger than which one? Timestamps, that is the right is must be mid, then else left is mid plus 1, and then I'd like to return return items left minus 1 and 1. Okay, let's make error edge case handling. If the left is 0, maybe this one is the negative 1, and then it occur the runtime error. Does it right make sense? So okay, what is the condition is the left is 0? That means this case. So that is same. When we call timestamp is 5, at that time when the timestamp 5 is not exist, so this is the index the 0. So at this time we need to return. That's right. Space. Okay, let's check the code. Okay, looks good. In this case, when initial state time complexity is it take constant time, and then space complexity is the linear space because time map is one of data structure, so it need only the input data. So input data is n, space complexity is n, and then set operation it take the linear constant time with constant space, and then it get operation it take the log n because we do binary search, and then constant space. Thank you.